When preparing to write a perfect essay, you should also work on certain cardinal skills of the English language. To avoid making this video too lengthy, IELTS Counselor is creating separate videos on each of these skills. You'll see them posted soon on the That Call Institute's channel. In short, the essential skills are introducing, signposting, paraphrasing, paragraphing, illustrating, using range in lexis and grammar, etc. First, introduction of your essay depends on how beautifully you blend the topic with your views and hint the reader about your approach. 2. Signposting. An essay without signposting looks like a patchwork of ideas with no connectivity between the information and the paragraphs. The reader loses interest or becomes confused in the absence of signposts. 3. Paraphrasing. If you can't paraphrase your ideas or the information presented in questions, you are more likely to make the writing monotonous, repetitive, and ultimately uninteresting. Four, illustrating. To illustrate your examples academically, you need to read as many essays as you can. For exemplifying will reflect your weaknesses in many areas of English literature. Choose the best out of 3 examples in your mind. Choose the one that can be acceptable to all. 5. Using rare lexis plus style. Lexical strength, if reflected in essays, can be indicators of your fluency in English, so try to get as many academic words as you can. Using academic vocabulary can raise your bands exponentially. 6. Summarizing. To summarize, you need to be good at brainstorming, lexical resource, as well as grammatical accuracy. Read as many conclusions as you can, but be careful. Conclusion is not same as summary. Finally, there are certain key areas to focus on. Introducing with hook. Thesis statement. Linking devices, cohesion, and coherence. Incorporating essential skills. The nature of examples. Closing statements and transition. Range of vocabulary and word choice. Avoiding common errors. Range of sentence structures. Avoiding deviation from the core subject. Consistent progression of the topic in question. Non-verbose and concise style. Compliance with the word limit, and focus on the time available or the time used. Are you preparing for IELTS, PTE, SAT, GRE, or an exam that tests your essay? If yes, join the IELTS Counselor's popular Master Your Essay Writing. It's an expert-led program for IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, and PTE success. This program is based on an adaptive training system and ensures your success in the target area. The details are summarized here to help you take the right decision at the right time. To register in the English Vision program for essay writing expertise, contact us. Submit a contact form on the IELTS Counsellor website, www.ieltscounselor.com, or send a WhatsApp message, EW8 with your name and city name, or write an email to edu@ieltscounselor.com. Call 91907544791.
Remember, your mission is our vision. IELTS Counselor would be glad to see your name in the 27 years long list of its students. Best of luck.